Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package. Let's see, there's a floppy disk. If you don't know what floppy disk is, what we used to use to store data. I still have some floppy disk. Now I'm going to use this to back it up. Supposed to be plug and play. This cable has USB-C. Not sure you can see that. C and A. Cable doesn't come off, so that's not good. That's it. Has a welcome guide, instructions on how to use it, and the floppy disk drive. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.